Hi kids! Today we're gonna learn something what we call magic milk. How to make it? It's very simple. Just pour a milk and put some colors, any colors that you want. You can see there is a red colors that we put, yellow color. Well, you can always choose the other colors that you need or you want. Now, here comes the secret recipe. We use a liquid soap right now using the cotton bud. Well, let's see. After we put some colors, there will be a chemical reactions. So, see what is the result. Can you guess it? See, color is changing. This looks like a rainbow, right? Now the color changing. This is amazing, right? Wow! Color keep changing. This is really nice. This is really interesting color. Let's try a second time. Let's try red and yellow. Kids, can you guess what colors we're gonna be? Let's see the result of this color. The red color, yellow color, let's guess what color is gonna be. Can you guess it? Wow, it's really interesting, isn't it? It's a very beautiful color. You're right. The result is orange color. Now let's try the third time. This time we're gonna use red color and green color. Can you guess what color is gonna be? Pour milk again and put some color again. Now we put a green color after the red color. And see what is the result. Can you guess it? What color is gonna be? Come on, let's try to guess it. Let's put the soap again. So, wow, now it's changing to the red colors. It's really interesting, isn't it? So many colors. Aha, you're right, it's a brown color. Now kids, what is the secret recipe of this? The fat and the proteins are super sensitive to change in the milk. So when the liquid soap is added, the soap and the fat work very hard to join together. This causes the movement. So when the food coloring is added, we are able to witness this chemical reaction. Don't forget to try it at home. Ask your parents to play with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.